So I was full on expecting like a standalone, but it's actually just this thing here. The flip side, rather than it being upstairs, it's actually just on the concourse level. So there's going to be essentially that little ticket stall there. But this is the ticket room. We're running for 30 minutes. We now have our tickets. We have our tickets. Yep. Slowly coming down. Look at all that slope.
Yes, I know.
So you're tired of the sun down. We're going there after. Come on, highway 7 right now. So you get off the Peak train, you're greeted by a bunch of stores. Ooh, just Tanghu. Hibody, Sika Ballet, or Taiji, and then they coat it in Suzu Tom. Cloudy and stormy night. I wonder if anyone's home. No, that's creepy doing that. So we're off to go visit Melancholy Dreams just because last entry was at 7 o'clock and it closes officially, I believe, at 8 or 8:30. It's not located in Peak Tower. You have to walk across to the opposing mall at the Peak Galleria, and it's on the 3rd floor. So don't make the same mistake that we did looking for. It's not in the same building as the Madame Tussauds Wax Museum. 3rd floor. Welcome to Monopoly Dreams. Meow, 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 meow. On the outskirts, you have some gacha machines, and then you also have cotton candy. Oh, you can post it on your golden book. Please contact our staff before entering. Mr. Monopoly's butler is going to bring you into Mr. Monopoly's mysterious mansion. Thank you. Delivered after 1 year. Excuse me. That's okay. Terms and conditions and a bunch of wording that I can't read. Mr. Monopoly.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mr. Monopoly. Welcome to my home and Monopoly City. It is my dream to build all these. Please take a look around. See what it's like to own it all. Enjoy your time, and maybe your dreams will also come true here.
So, have a look at here. He was a car engineer before, and I guess also playing Monopoly before, right? So if you want to play the game, you will earn money by renting your house, by investment, just like that. Mr. Monopoly earns his money, and he has his own private jet and has his own boat. And maybe you can walk into his boat and experience. And also you can see there's a little donkey there. Can look at that side. That side is the picture of Scotty. Scotty is Mr. Monopoly's favorite donkey. It's feel free to take photo and you can stop progressing.
Hat. I have that one at home still. I also have that one too. Star Wars I also have at home. Some here facts about Monopoly. More other facts about Monopoly. I think this might be an interactive touchscreen. Monopoly's cane. And it's Monopoly's top hat. Largest token inside of it. Oh, you can't sit inside of it. They won't let you sit. There's different tokens. Sentiment of love. Memories of experience in Monopoly's garage. You will not only find his beloved car, but a collection of tokens. Each token represents a moment he holds close to his heart, so you can really listen. Aww. That's special. Ooh. We're gonna go see a bank vault. We're gonna see a movie. Okay.
There's one rule to follow. Don't run on the floor, okay? If you're okay, let's start.
Okay. But I can do anything else, just I can't grab what's on the floor. Keitaya Jodo. But I'm just.
So anything grab, whatever.
Okay. Okay.
One.
Let's do it. Do it.
With hands.
Yeah. You ready? 3, 2, 1.
Yeah. How much you get?
I don't know.
Oh, okay, you got a good amount still.
2, 1.
Oh no. Oh my god. It's hard. The pressure is too. Whoa. Maximum one. Oh god. Oh, how bad. Take out the 1,000 one.
Oh my god. Okay, that was fun. I was thinking of... Okay, so thinking I was gonna use my thing as a basket. Nope, I only got like 3 bills. But the good part is these are worth money. So a 50 bill is worth the equivalent of 5 Hong Kong dollars, and you can use maximum 3 for a redemption in the gift shop, and then 1 for if you want to buy something from the cafe. So that's hilarious. New. So I gotta find 5 differences. There's 1 difference. I am so slow at this. 2. 3. 3. Ooh, nope. Does that deduct me time? I'm so bad at this. Oh, nope. Oh, 3, 4, and I have 1 more difference. Where could it possibly be? On his face? No. I get 400 points for something. So we did ultimate banking. There's garage where you can do spot the difference. We're gonna go to... okay. Yeah, the illuminated lights. Oh, that's nice. And also do the photo up with Mr. Monopoly. And then in here, there is the 4D movie. Dun, 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 the bank vault. Ooh, a wheelbarrow full of money. I'm guessing once upon a time there was a photo up here, but they don't do it anymore. Where you can take a photo. Ugh. There's apparently a passcode lock. I don't really know what you're supposed to do. Oh, you have to drag and drop it. Okay. Understood. I don't know what you're supposed to do. Unless you just do that. No. Unless you're just supposed to fit all of the pieces in. Oh, I don't really know what I'm doing. Train station, jail. Box number 118, collection. Wow. Largest one. Call now for rent. 2727. In jail. Now let's go into said jail. Catch the thief game. Let's try that. Please help Mr. Monopoly catch the thief in 30 seconds. Thief graphic. Okay, let's do this. Oh, that's easy enough. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Ah, shit. Whee! Ah! Aw. Yay! 360. High score. Ooh, I got a high score. Oh wait, no, the high score is 560. I got 360. Good enough. You can also be seated in the jail and get in a jail. Or you can go straight to jail. There's also 2 more games that you can do. Electric Company and some other. Randomly to select 2 bills, you will collect 100 when you select. Okay. Oh. Okay, so matching. We're gonna play a matching match game. Hey. Oops. Oh shit. Cool. 600 points. I feel like that toilet's calling to me. You can't tell it, but I'm squatting right now. This is a god behind for a big bucket. Enter. Take pocket sound.
So nice to meet
Monopoly Dreams. Scan the QR code on your ticket. Each ticket only prints one D card. Ooh, okay, so we have 2 card tickets. We got 2 tickets. Gonna scan. So we can scan it there. Yes. Peak is gonna be me. That's hilarious. And then for Mama Ho. God damn it, why is it not scanning? Oh, never mind. Nope, I printed out one already. Oh, they're both the Peak. Oh, that's hilarious. The Peak. Oh, I got Quintong instead. No, that's the Peak. That's cute. So those are the ones that you can get. They're all based in Hong Kong. Now we are going to get that seal of approval done. So we're going to put that up. We're going to smack it in. Make sure that it's properly aligned. Push down. Mr. Monopoly Properties. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay, cool. So the Peak, this is actually the total cost of it, but apparently it cost a lot of money. One tongue. Waterworks. Oh, I have no idea what's the point of this thing. Shut off the pipes. Okay. I guess it's just a mini game. Yeah, it did something. You just spin them. Spin left to turn it on and spin right to turn it off. Interact with it. So it's very small in here. Waterworks. Own it all! Gotcha? I have no idea what you get. Oh, okay. Congratulations, you have won a buy one get one free on selected drinks. Oh, okay. We have our second one. New English. Please find their ticket. Oops, scan that one. This one is pretty fire. Please, please, please. Did I win a prize? Oh. Oh. Okay, so that wasn't that good. I thought we would have won a token or something. Monopoly Dream. See you next time. And of course, every attraction ends up in a gift shop. Oh, that looks like fun. 100 years of Hasbro. Ooh, Super Mario Galaxy dozens are not for sale. Oh, those are fun. Keychains for it. Any of these really worth it? Because that would still be like $20. And it's not that pretty looking. Oh. Okay, we are headed off to Madame Tussauds, Hong Kong. Madame Tussauds, Hong Kong. Wang Yunling. I don't know who this is, but he was in a bunch of these. So this will be my 4th or 5th Madame Tussauds visiting. This is my mom's first. Who is he first? Ariana Grande and a whole bunch of people I don't know. Of course, it's in Hong Kong with good old Jackie Chan. That party starts here. Hey, we're going down. I got my paparazzi shooting. So we got Barack Obama. We got this lady who I do not know. Johnny Depp. I have no idea who she is. No idea who these two are either. Oh, interesting. Okay. Who would you like to meet? I have no idea. Okay, so I low-key know this guy. I don't know his name, but he used to be on that game show back on TVB. Let's see what his name is. Oh, Eric Tsang. Okay. And he was on Gemuyeon. Then we have Brad Pitt. Johnny Depp, I think? No idea who that is. That one is Lady Gaga. Oh my god, that does not look like her. Eric Wong. Oh, he's coming.
Look, come in.
Could chop out, like. You have to move over.
Wow. Wow, you're so handsome. You're so handsome.
Oh, cứ trông mấy chó. Oh, oh. Oh my god. He's waving bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Louis Koo. I have no idea what he's in, but there's that. Oh, we have Robert Pattinson. Oh, nope, I lied. Zhu Yilong. I'm assuming it's that. We have Timothy Chalamet. We have Nicole Kidman. And look at that disrespect. Who's she? We have Thor himself. Pia Wurtzbach. Oh. She's a beauty queen pageant. Okay, don't mind if I do if I accept my award. Aww, I'm so prettiful. So we're going down to the next floor. There's a bunch of Asian idols. Let's see who we have. A lot of L photo shoots. Ooh. I have no idea who any of these people are. We have Miss Kendall Jenner. Hi, Kendall. AF Fashion Studio. Okay, let's get that started. Now, Victoria Haba. Confirmed. Apparently that's me! Oh, we have the one who sings Umbrella. Rihanna, there you go. We have Drake. We have that lady that was on Project Runway, I think. I don't remember her name. We have Fashion Icon with Drake and Tyra Banks. Time to shine. Miss Philippines. Hong Kong's way of life. Dressing for a day featuring Yves Saint Laurent. I don't know who this is. Oh, is that Coco Chanel? Coco Chanel? No? I don't know who that is.
Chanel.
Queen Elizabeth! She's dead. Sorry, Mr. Narendra Modi. We have Prince Charles. They got his bald spot pretty on point. And I'm assuming that's Meghan Markle because I don't really pay attention to who's who. Yayoi Kusama. Vin Diesel. Audrey Hepburn. Marilyn Monroe. Ooh, this is League of Legends. Okay, sorry, this is World of Warcraft. Okay, I'm gonna low-key butcher all of this because I don't know who's who. So I'm assuming it's all K-pop idols. Hexagon. Beyond Boy. Okay, we entered the sporting area. I'll be honest, I have no idea who any of these people are. I'm assuming this is Yao Ming and Steve Curry, and that's it. Oh, Cristiano Ronaldo. Okay. Oh, that's Messi. Okay, okay. Miss Ariana. Freddie Mercury. Beatles. Justin Bieber, you know you're gonna hit him with the ether.
They're so cute.
And to the section that I know, the Marvel superheroes. We met the actual one in Disney. Mr. Iron-Man, sir. Oh!
I want to.
I don't know the names of these fat piggies, but my grandma used to buy me clothing wear of them. But I thought they're hilarious, and I think they're Hong Kong. And I had left past to Baba Gump, and then down and up. One more up to Sky Terrace. It's different up here. Woo, it's warm. Oh, that looks nice. So pretty up here. Going on to one end of the deck. It's completely misty and foggy on one end, but it's colorful because of, I think, the lights from down below. Oh, nope, maybe not. But there's someone's big house in there. That looks pretty cool. But I'm never not going to get used to this.
Please ensure the safety and comfort of any elderly persons or children traveling in your party.
tired. And it's time to head back with the round trip ticket that we got. This is our return here.